Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Three-judge bench of Supreme Court to hear plea by 14 opposition parties alleging misuse of central probe agencies. Defamation complaint filed against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in Haridwar for referring to RSS as Kauravas. Public health is a state subject, responsibility of state government to provide health care services. Centre files affidavit in Supreme Court for implementation of menstrual hygiene schemes. Jamiyat Ulama-e-Hind moves Supreme Court, opposing pleas for validation of same-sex marriages. Union Minister Narayan Rane discharged in the case of unparliamentary remark to slap Uddhav Thackeray. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. A three-judge bench of the Supreme Court comprising the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, and Justices P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardiwala is scheduled to hear on April 5th the plea filed by 14 opposition parties, alleging the arbitrary use of central probe agencies against opposition leaders and seeking guidelines for the use of such agencies in the future. A defamation complaint has been filed against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for his remarks made during the Bharat Jodo Yatra in January 2023. Gandhi had referred to the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh as the Kauravas of the 21st century when addressing an audience in Kurukshetra. Gandhi said that these days Kauravas wear khadi half pants and carry sticks in their hands, which is the dress code of RSS. The complaint has been registered under Section 499 and 500 of the Indian Penal Code and will be heard on April 12th. The central government filed a reply in the Supreme Court on a plea seeking free sanitary napkins for adolescent girls in every school and separate girl washrooms in all government schools, stating that public health is a state subject and the responsibility to providing healthcare services is that of respective state governments. The submission was made in an affidavit filed by the Ministries of Health, Education and Jal Shakti that the Union of India is dedicated to improving access to menstrual hygiene for young and adolescent girls, and to this end has not only undertaken awareness and training programs, but has also undertaken programs to make necessary resources available and accessible to girls across the country, and allotted more than 197 crore rupees for states to implement menstrual hygiene policies. However, the central government and its agencies are not implementing bodies for such schemes. The Muslim body Jamiyat-e-Hind has moved the Supreme Court opposing the pleas filed seeking validation of same-sex marriages. The Muslim outfit states that such marriages are an attack on the family system and in complete contravention of all personal laws. The organization also cited Hindu traditions being against such form of marriage, stating that the aim of marriage among Hindus is not merely physical pleasure or procreation, but spiritual advancement. The Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate of Raigad Alibag discharged the Union Minister Narayan Rane for his remark against former CM Uddhav Thackeray. Rane had said that he would have slapped Thackeray for forgetting the year of independence during his Independence Day speech, after which several FIRs were filed against the minister. The court, however, discharged him, stating that the remarks were unparliamentary but did not amount to criminal intimidation or promoting enmity between two groups. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.